Everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day. I'm so really happy to have you back on the sessions, and also I'm doing well over there. I wish you all the best over there as well. Whatever you do and wherever you go, just the best, all the best for you guys. But first of all, let me tell you a little bit of myself. I'm Yohn. I'm engineering, robot engineering in a company. My major also electrical engineering when I was in a college, and then I I'm actively to be someone who push student to be fluent in English uh, by doing support to them, by help them to improve their English by telling some method that I have been doing, and also so on and all those things. But today, guys, I would like to share my experience to you. My experience that my experience that so the experience that make me feel the experience that make me feel make me feel that make me feel uncomfortable. If I remember, if I go back to in time, I wish I why I say I wish go back in time, because yesterday on my company, on the companies where I work, there are there are some students from Singapore's University of Tom Hoa that got invited by the company, and they were having fun with the games around the robo park, and also they probably had a nice experience while education divisions showing their stuff, showing how to create a simple robot and with how it works, how it works and how to make it, and and then showing and then show them, and then they they were explained by Aaron the team about robotic, about the the nowadays the state of its robots for nowadays, the state of its for and the cutting edge of nowadays robotics that are evolving with high accurate model, yeah, high accurate model. And there are two co-workers on my company are really advanced in English, so they yeah, because I think that English probably their first language after Indonesians. Yeah, I've ever asked them why you are so nice in English, because this is my first language. Even though I'm living in Indonesia, it doesn't mean my first language Indonesians instead of English. Yeah, I think I think the friends though I think the friends though I think that friends already though their children or my coworkers about English a long time ago when they were in children. Yeah, and they were accepting a Singapore student. They were explaining about robotic onto them. They were able telling them how the robot works out, what the companies work on significantly on the robot, and then how the robot works, and what's the equipment, and what were the equipment, what's were equipment, what was equipment for robotic, and so on. And you know what the very you know the so what makes me a little bit regret for that situation, because I wasn't I wasn't I wasn't embracing for the offer of my coworkers to be speech, or to be we could say guide tour that explained about robotic around park area, robo park area, because that would train me so a lot. Though I though I could be failed, though I could be failed, though I would be failed at once, but instead I try. But yesterday I refuse. I resist to be like them, to be present as someone with the high confidence. Nah. So that's the big. So that's actually things I regret. Wow, I'm really regret for that. Yeah, I wish I go back to in time and take the risks, no matter what, no matter the cost, no matter how they would score me or see me, just to be brave persons. Yeah. So left. Yeah. Jeff think okay, just thinking the result in the end, and we could make it as a feedback for us. I think so that's the reason tell you I'm telling you this situation, because that pushed me out of my well, I wish I go back in time, I told you, but I can't. Hi guys, thank you so much for coming onto my channel. Okay, and but actually punish myself. I do punish. I do punish after that. I do punish onto myself after that things. If I not brave enough to be someone better, and I resist for the chance, I get punished by myself. I get punished by myself. Yeah, so I will do such brave things outside on my room. Probably I will make a vlog on a public area, and also to be someone who talkative, doing talk, and I'm working on it. So just wait me till I upload my video on my channel. So thank you guys for your attention. Have a good day.